In the next video, I'm going to start explaining step by step how to do Project 1, but I want to use this video for two purposes. One, to show you an overview of the entire video so that you can go back to this video and watch and see what's coming up next, especially if you're trying to solve it on your own first and only look at my next video as you need it. But first, this project that is designed to get you familiar with things that you can animate using only Edge is really a two-part project. So first, I want you to do this second section. Second meaning time-wise. When you watch the video, you'll first see this, but don't do that first because it'll be extremely hard. So we're going to start here, and I'm going to show you exactly what that'll look like. What you'll do is just put a placeholder for this. So when I show you the video, what you'll see is things I can animate using only Edge comes up for about a second, disappears for a second, and then you're in the second part of the video. So let's watch that in its entirety. I will mark where this starts next to where this video is posted so that in the future you can just jump right there. So let me go to a browser, let me click to reload the page, and this is what you will see. Okay, so you see just a second on and off, and then this is the rest of the second section. And this whole second section, you can make it look exactly like mine. If you want to use a different readable font, I'm okay with that. But essentially it should take up the same amount of time, animating the same thing. I've created a Word document for you so that you can copy and paste a lot of this text. So the idea is once you go through and do all these things for the first time, you'll have an idea of how you want to be creative for section 1, which I'll show you in a second. Okay, so here's the end of it. And now when you're working on the project is when you get to be creative. So you'll go back to the very beginning of your project in Adobe Edge Animate. So you'd have something like this, the very beginning of your project. Here I'm scrubbing the playhead. That's from 0 to 1 second. You can see that disappeared. And then that section 2 appears. What you would do at this point is you would insert about, not about, 8 seconds more, and then you'll come up with a clever way to animate this. I will show you next an example of what I did, but I don't want you to do what I did. I want you to figure out how you want to animate this. It could be that each letter flies in here individually from a different direction. Maybe words fly in. Maybe they're spinning around as they fly in. Maybe things are getting bigger, smaller. Whatever you think we would like to see for, or what you would like to show us for a complete 9 seconds and then a 1 second fade out, and then boom, the second section starts. So let me load up mine and show you. Right now we're inside of Edge Animate, and you can see right here as we go on about 9 into 9 seconds, my feature disappears, and then here's where the second section starts. So really the creative part of this assignment is from 0 to 9 seconds. I am going to hit Command Return, which previews this in the browser, and you can see this is the simple little animation I came up with. It's 9 seconds, disappears for 1, and then section 2 starts. So in the next videos, I'm going to go through this project step by step and help you out.